Now I'm going to show you a bunch of really beautiful planetary nebula. When stars are more massive than about 8 times our sun's mass, they go supernova. When they're less than that, they evolve into a red giant phase and then throw off the outer layers of the star, evolving into a white dwarf. These throwing off of the outer layers are what create these planetary nebula. This is a relatively short-lived phenomena lasting a few tens of thousands of years compared to the typical stellar lifetime of several billion years. Most of the time these nebula are very spherically symmetrical, but you'll notice some of them are just some bizarre shapes. It's a bit unclear, but we think that some of them may have an orbiting companion star around them, or their own magnetic fields may be affecting the shape of the nebula. This one's definitely a binary star system. It's two stars going around each other every 800 years makes this spiral pattern. This is called Abel 39. It's 5 light years across and 7,000 light years away. NGC 6543 is the Cat's Eye Nebula. It's 3,000 light years away. The Necklace Planetary Nebula is 2 stars orbiting each other with a period of 1 day. It's 15,000 light years distance and a half a light year across. Age of the ring is about 5,000 years. This one's called the Ant Nebula. MWP-1 is the largest planetary nebula known. 4,500 light years away, spans 15 light years, age of 150,000 years. WMC 922, the Red Square Nebula, for obvious reasons. Medusa Nebula, Abel 21, is an old planetary nebula, 150,000 light years away, 4 light years across. Messier 57, the Ring Nebula in Lyra, is visible in a small telescope. This planetary nebula is also a binary system. A hot white dwarf star and a giant star orbit each other in 120 years. It's 2,000 light years away and 1 light year across. The Helix Planetary Nebula, NGC 7293, is 700 light years away and spans 2.5 light years. The Hamburger Nebula. NGC 3132. Abel 39.